Good morning, student. Today we will start new lesson, that is part 2. Okay. Now you have to see that videos clearly on YouTube and you have to complete the assignment. Okay. Now the first lesson of this part 2 is division of polynomials. Now you know the polynomials, but for the revision we will see the definition. Polynomial means what? If index means power, okay, of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number is called polynomial. Means what? For example, you see the example x square plus 2x minus 3. Suppose this is the polynomial. Okay, see the variable and see the index or power. Here index means power. 2 and here 1. 1 and 2 both are whole number, so this is the polynomial. Okay, whole number, you know the numbers start from 0 1 2 3 up to infinite, like that. Suppose here 5x raised to 5 minus 3x plus 4. Okay, here power of this variable is 5. Here no power means 1. Here no variable means power is 0. Means that 0 1 5, this power 0 1 5, all these are whole number. Okay, so if such a type of numbers come, then that is the polynomial. So my question is, suppose here I have written minus 10. So can we say this is the polynomial? Yes, because here no variable means here power is 0, and we know 0 is a whole number, so this is also known as polynomial. We know three types of algebraic expression: monomial, binomial. Monomial means like this, one term. Binomial means two terms. Trinomial means three terms. Already you have studied. Okay, so in that one, if power is like this whole number, they are polynomial. So the which are not polynomial, suppose for example here we have taken 1 upon x plus 3. So this is not polynomial. Why? When we take this x raised to x 1 upon x, here no power means 1. When we take this numerator, a denominator in numerator, the sign of this one is changed. It plus 1 become minus 1 using the laws of indices. And this is plus 3. Okay. So here this is not a whole number, power minus 1. So this is not whole number. So this is not a polynomial. If suppose like this number is given, then here root x. Root means what? The power of x is 1 upon 2. You know 1 upon 2 we written square root. Square root means this symbol. So 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. So this is also not a polynomial. So now I think you will get the ideas what is the polynomial. See. Now next point is degree of polynomial. It is very simple. Degree means what? The greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Greatest index means greatest power you have to find. So for example, here I have write here three example: m square minus 3m plus 2. Okay, here suppose b raised to 5 plus 3b raised to 4 plus 7. Suppose here third one, x cube plus x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 10. So what the definition? Degree of polynomial. Degree means what? The greatest index. Means in that total polynomial, which power is greatest? See now, power means index. Here index is 2. 1. Here means no power means 1. Here no variable means 0. Means 0, 1, 2. Which one is greatest? 2 is greatest. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Similarly, tell me what is the degree here? B raised to 5 plus 3b raised to 4 plus 7. So easily we can find 5 is be greater. Power, not a coefficient. This is coefficient. Numbers are coefficient. And what that? Index, that is power you have to take. 5 4 means 5 is greater, so degree is 5. Here 3 power, here 5 power, here 4 power, which one is greater? 5. So degree is 5. So it is easily you can find a degree of polynomial, because next year also you have to study this one, degree of a polynomial. So we'll see now example on this one by one. Okay, so what is the example? on this one. See here, to divide polynomial by monomial. Now we know monomial means one term, polynomial means more than one or two terms. Okay, one divide polynomial by monomial. So the question is, can we say this is the also polynomial? Yes, it is also polynomial. Monomial also polynomial, but how to say monomial with one term? Polynomial with one term, polynomial with two term, polynomial with three terms, like this. So here you have to divide 21m square divided by 7m. Here, if monomial by monomial, it is very simple. Directly you can write like this divide. Okay, so this you have to divide first number part if possible. 7 1s are 7 3s are. Okay, m square and m remain. See, m square divided by m. So can we write this m square like this? M into m. Yes, square means 2 times. Divide by what? M. This 1m and this m is cancel. What remain? M. So this is the answer of this division. Okay. Directly also you can divide. See here. Suppose if anybody want to divide directly, see 7m. This is another method. Or 7 1s are 7 3s are. Here 1m it is cancelled. This 2 is cancelled. 1m is remain. So directly you can write answer m. By both way answer come m. So second example we'll see. Sign is very important. Here plus plus, so there is no minus sign. Now here 40a square divided by minus 10a. First do the division. 10 1s are 10 4s are. Okay. So here what remain? 4a square. Here sign is important. What sign? Put that sign. Minus here 1a. If you not write that one, no problem. No need to write 1. Again here a and a square means here 2a. So 1a and this a is cancel. 1a is remain. Okay. Suppose here a cube, then here you have to divide like this. Suppose a cube remain. And here your a come. So you cancel this. 1a is gone. So how many? 2a's remain. Means a square remain. Like this you have to divide. So plus divide by minus. What sign come? Minus. You know the rule. Plus divided by minus, division come minus. If both are minus minus, then it become plus. Okay. Here minus, here plus. Again division is minus. So here what remain? 4a. So answer come minus 4a. The question is what? You have to write quotient and remainder. So what quotient come here? In first example, quotient means what is the division come here? M. Here m. Okay. By this you can write this is the quotient. Then remainder is what? There is no remainder. How? You have to divide like this. Okay. So you divide this one equation. If you have to find, if you have to divide only, so divide by this method. If you want quotient and remainder, then you have to divide like this. See. Okay. 21m square divided by 7m. So 7 1s are 7 3s are. First you have to compare this one. Okay. You have to find the number, that number multiply by this 7m, then product complete this one. So 7 3s are 21. Here m, here m square. So here 1m you want. So 7 3s are 21. M into m square. So product of these two come 21 m square. So subtraction is 0. Both are same. Cancel. So what is your remainder? Remainder come 0. Remainder come 0. Like this you have to divide. If only division, this one I explained. This is another method. Okay. If only you have to divide, do it. But they want quotient and remainder, then like this you have to divide. Because this is the quotient. Okay. This is the remainder. This one is the dividend. This is dividend. You know, already you studied it. This is remainder. This one is quotient. And this number is known as what? Divisor. Okay. So what they want, you have to divide. Similarly, we see the example. Now I think you got this idea how to find quotient and remainder. For this, again we have to divide 40a square minus 10a. Okay, so here 40 plus 40, no? But here minus sign, so first you have to put minus, because minus minus come plus. You have to find quotient. So by which number you have to multiply by 10, then come 40. 10 for the 40. Here by which number you have to multiply this a, then it become a square. So 1a remain. So this a. So take the product. This one minus minus come plus, minus into minus plus 40a square. And we know in division we have to subtract. So this is 0. So here your quotient come, what is minus 4a, and what remainder come? Remainder come 0. It not come every time 0. If complete division, then it come 0. This is the division of what? Divide polynomial by monomial. Okay. Monomial by monomial. Here not polynomial. Here we says monomial by monomial. And now you have to divide polynomial by monomial. We'll see now another one. So what is here? See here. Now this is the polynomial, this is the monomial. Like that we have to divide. First we will write this dividend, 5x cube minus 3x square. We have to divide this one by x square. Okay. See first one. First term you have to consider. Don't think about the second, but you have to divide this term. Here we want 5, but here no number, means 1. So 1 multiply by 5, 5 come. Okay, see. Then here x cube and here x square, means how many x less here? 1x. So x is here. Now take the product of this, it become 5x cube. See, 5 ones are 5, x into x square, x cube. So we have to subtract. So it is cancel. What? 0. What is next number? Minus 3x square. So this term carry what sign? That sign here we have to put. Here minus, so put directly minus sign here. If here plus, then put plus here. Okay, again, here 1, here 3. So here you want 3, because 1 3 is a 3. Here x square, here also x square. Both terms same, so no need of x here. Okay, if less, then you have to adjust here x. Here like this, here cube, here square, so 1x is remain, so we written here x. But here both are same, so only 3 come. So multiplication of this one, minus 3 into minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square. So subtraction, this minus become plus. So minus and plus, it is cancel. Okay, so what is quotient come now? Quotient means this one, 5x minus 3. And what is remainder come? Remainder come 0. Okay, we'll see the second example. See carefully, very simple. 8p cube minus 4p square. Here divisor is 2p square. Now first term again. Here 2 and 8. I mean how many? Za 2, then it come 8, 2, 4 za 8. Okay, here p square, here p cube. How many p remain? 1p. So see the product, it is 8p cube. Exactly this product come. If you take the product of these two, it is come like this. So subtract. It is cancel. So 0 remain. Next term is what? Minus 4p square. What sign here? Minus. Put that sign. See the coefficient. Here 4, here 2. Then how many is there? Then it come 4. 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then here p square, here also p square. Again variable is same. So no need to write here p, only 2. But here product is what? Minus. Here this side minus, no, minus into plus, minus. So when division we subtract next term, here plus a minus, so it become plus. It is cancel. Remainder come 0. So it is very simple. See now, this is we have studied now. Your study is to divide a polynomial by a monomial. If polynomial, you have to divide one term by like this, and if monomial like this, here directly we can divide. Okay, so here directly we can divide like this, 21, only one term. Here we adjusted 7 3s are 21. Here m square, so you have to multiply this m by m. This is simple, but in polynomial you have to adjust these two terms. Okay, so again here you have to write what is quotient. Quotient is 4p minus 2. And what is the remainder? Here your remainder count 0. So you have to solve some example for the practice. Okay, see carefully this all examples. Okay, so study it and solve it and send me the your copies, solution copy pages with the correct answer. If any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, then next period we'll see the next topic on this division of polynomials. Thank you.